Have you ever wondered what it truly means to be missed? To leave such a deep imprint on someone's life that, in your absence, their mind inevitably returns to thoughts of you? We often think that to be missed is a matter of charm or proximity, yet true longing is born not from constant presence, but from the cultivation of your own essence, a self that is so rich, resilient, and purposeful that others feel your absence like a void. As Stoic thinkers, we understand that control over the self is the key to mastering the external world. You do not compel others to miss you by force or manipulation. Instead, you create an inner strength and independence that makes your absence more profound. As Seneca once said, "Absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it." This sharpening of love comes not from desperation or need, but from a quiet confidence that others can sense and admire, even when you're far from their sight. In this journey, I will guide you through 10 timeless Stoic principles, not to manufacture longing, but to become the person whose very existence invites admiration and respect. Each step will bring you closer to understanding the subtle art of leaving an indelible mark, one that ensures your absence is felt deeply, and your presence, when it returns, is cherished even more. The question is not how you can make them miss you, it is how you can become the kind of person who is worth missing. Ready to begin? Let's dive into the first principle, self-sufficiency. Number 1, radiate confidence through self-reliance. What greater power exists than to be whole within oneself? True self-reliance, as the Stoics teach, radiates a quiet confidence that draws others in, not through need, but through admiration. When you are self-sufficient, you do not seek validation or chase affection. Instead, you live a life rich with purpose, engaged in your own growth and passions. Imagine this: you're not constantly available, not seeking attention, but immersed in pursuits that fulfill you. In your absence, they wonder, what are they doing? This curiosity is born not from manipulation, but from the natural magnetism of someone who does not need others to feel whole. As Epictetus reminds us, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. Cultivate your own inner strength, and you will not only command respect, but create a deeper, more meaningful longing in others. Number 2, control your emotions and cultivate mystery. To be master of your emotions is to possess a power few ever realize. The Stoics taught that while we cannot control the world around us, we can always control how we respond to it. Emotional control is not about suppressing your feelings, but about shaping them with intention. In relationships, this control creates an aura of calm strength and quiet mystery, two qualities that leave a lasting impression. This composure makes others wonder, what lies beneath that calm surface? What thoughts are guiding them? By holding your emotions with grace, you cultivate mystery, not by withholding yourself, but by showing that you are in command of your inner world. This deliberate restraint draws others closer, leaving them curious and wanting more. In this way, emotional mastery is not only a mark of strength, but a key to creating deep connection. When they reflect on your calm presence, they will miss the stability and depth you bring, a longing born not from chaos, but from the quiet allure of self-possession. Number 3, communicate with purpose and leave an impression. Words, when used with care, hold immense power. The Stoics understood that intentional communication is not about speaking often, but about speaking with purpose. Every word should carry weight, not just to fill the air, but to enrich the moment and leave a lasting mark. When you speak with clarity and meaning, your voice becomes something to remember, something others will miss in your absence. Imagine this: instead of shallow conversation, you speak with depth, offering insights that linger long after the words are spoken. You do not waste time with idle chatter, but choose your moments wisely, delivering words that connect, resonate, and inspire. As Seneca said, speech that is not mindful is like an arrow shot into the dark. It may strike, but it does not leave its mark. By communicating with intention, you create not just conversations, but impressions, ones that continue to echo in the minds of those who hear you. They will find themselves reflecting on your words, missing the clarity and purpose you bring to every exchange. Number 4, embrace the power of absence. Absence is not a void. It is a powerful force that, when embraced, deepens connection and longing. The Stoics taught us that true strength lies not in clinging to others, but in allowing space for reflection and appreciation. Absence, when approached wisely, cultivates desire, not through manipulation, but through the natural rhythm of life, the ebb and flow of presence and solitude. Imagine this. Instead of constantly filling every moment with contact, you allow a pause. This pause, this absence, creates room for your presence to be appreciated in ways it cannot be when you are always there. As Epictetus reminds us, freedom is the only worthy goal. By releasing the need to always be near, you grant both yourself and the other the freedom to reflect. In that quiet space, curiosity grows. What are they doing? What are they thinking? And appreciation deepens. Absence, when embraced, sharpens the bond, making each reunion more cherished. It is not distance that weakens connection. Rather, it is the fear of letting go that stifles it. Number 5, be fully present in every interaction. Presence is a gift often overlooked. In a world of distractions, the ability to be fully here and now is rare and deeply powerful. The Stoics taught that each moment is fleeting, and it is our responsibility to give it our full attention. By being completely present in your interactions, you leave a mark far more lasting than any fleeting gesture could ever hope to achieve. Imagine this. In a conversation, you listen with your whole being. Every word, every gesture is met with undivided attention. You are not simply waiting for your turn to speak, nor are your thoughts elsewhere. You are fully engaged, and it shows. In this depth of presence, you offer something rare, true connection. As Marcus Aurelius urged, do every act of your life as though it were the last. When you treat each interaction with this gravity, the ordinary becomes profound. When you are fully present, others will remember how you made them feel, truly seen, truly heard. And in your absence, they will miss that depth, that focus, that energy you brought. Presence, when given wholeheartedly, lingers long after the moment has passed, creating a space they will yearn to fill again. Number 6, establish consistency in your communication. There is a quiet strength in being consistent. The Stoics believed that true character reveals itself through steady, reliable actions, not grand gestures, but in the regularity of our conduct. Consistency in communication works the same way. When you show up with thoughtfulness and intention, you weave yourself into the fabric of someone's daily life, creating a rhythm that becomes hard to live without. But consistency does not mean constant communication. It means thoughtful, timely exchanges that leave an impact. Whether it's a morning check-in or an occasional reflection, your pattern of communication becomes a comforting anchor. And when that anchor is absent, they feel the void, the silence. It is in that silence that longing grows. By being consistent, you become a part of their routine, a dependable force in their life. And when you are missing from that rhythm, they will find themselves reaching for your presence, missing the balance and reliability you brought into their world. Consistency, then, is not just a habit, it is a path to becoming unforgettable. Number 7, live with purpose and passion. To live without purpose is to drift, unanchored, and forgettable. The Stoics believed that a life driven by purpose and passion is the only life worth living. When you are guided by a deep sense of meaning, you radiate an energy that cannot be ignored. This passion not only makes your presence felt, but ensures that, in your absence, others will feel the void of your dynamic existence. Consider this. Every action you take, every word you speak, is infused with a sense of direction and meaning. You are not merely existing, you are pursuing your higher goals, whether in your career, relationships, or personal growth. As Seneca wisely observed, our plans miscarry because they have no aim. Without a clear goal, no effort will succeed. But when you live with purpose, your actions inspire and attract others, leaving a deep and lasting impression. When you are fully committed to your passions, others notice. They admire your drive, your commitment, and your clarity of purpose. In your absence, they will miss that fire, the ambition that set you apart. Your purpose becomes a beacon, something they can look up to and be inspired by, even when you are not present. Number 8. Master emotional balance in your expressions. True strength is not found in extremes, but in the quiet mastery of balance. The Stoics understood that emotions, when uncontrolled, can lead us astray. But when harnessed with wisdom, they become a powerful tool for connection. By practicing emotional balance, you ensure that your expressions of affection, joy, or even frustration are measured, meaningful, and impactful. Consider how much more powerful your words of affection become when they are not scattered impulsively, but offered with thought. When you show appreciation, it carries weight. When you express frustration, it is calm and controlled, never chaotic. This balance leaves others wondering, what are they thinking? What are they feeling? Drawing them in with curiosity and respect. By mastering emotional balance, you create anticipation and desire. Your emotions become something they miss, not because you are withholding, but because you offer them with purpose, making each moment of vulnerability resonate long after you have left. In your absence, they will miss the steadiness you bring, the calm in your emotional expressions, and the depth behind every word and gesture. Number 9. Resilience in the face of challenges. In life, adversity is not a question of if, but when. The Stoics believe that it is in the face of hardship that our true character is revealed. Resilience, the ability to endure with grace, sets you apart, making you a source of strength for others. When you remain steady amid the storm, you not only command respect, but create a presence that is deeply missed when absent. Imagine this. Challenges arise, as they always do, yet you meet them with calm determination. You do not complain, you do not falter. Instead, you face difficulty as Seneca taught. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Each obstacle becomes an opportunity to refine your character, to show others that you are not easily shaken. In moments of crisis, you become a pillar, a source of comfort and stability. Those around you witness your resilience, and it leaves an indelible mark. They begin to rely on your strength, not out of dependence, but out of admiration for your calm under pressure. When you are gone, it is this resilience they will miss, the quiet assurance that, no matter the challenge, you will rise above it. Number 10. Maintain consistency in your character. But add a twist: character is revealed in consistency, the unwavering commitment to values that builds deep trust. The Stoics knew that to be dependable is to be virtuous, yet even within this steadfastness, there's power in the unexpected. Imagine being the person who is always reliable, grounded in your principles. As Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Your consistency earns respect and admiration. But every so often, you add a twist, an unexpected act of kindness, a surprise gesture that sparks joy and keeps them engaged. This balance between reliability and spontaneity ensures your absence is felt even more. They miss the comfort of your consistency and the excitement of your unpredictability, making you truly unforgettable. In the end, the secret to being deeply missed is not found in clever tactics or fleeting gestures. It is rooted in the cultivation of your own virtue and strength. The Stoics taught us that true influence comes not from controlling others, but from mastering ourselves. By embracing these principles, self-reliance, emotional control, purposeful living, and unwavering character, you become someone whose absence is felt as profoundly as your presence. As Marcus Aurelius reminds us, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Become the person who inspires, uplifts, and strengthens those around you, and you will not need to seek their longing. It will arise naturally, as a reflection of the impact you leave behind. Let your journey not be about seeking to be missed, but about becoming so grounded in who you are that your presence is cherished, and your absence creates a space that can only be filled by the unique depth and character you bring. In this way, you will not only be missed, but remembered, respected, and admired long after you've stepped away. If you found these Stoic insights valuable and want to continue growing in wisdom and strength, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Ultimate Stoicism channel. Join our community of thinkers dedicated to mastering life through ancient principles and modern application. Stay connected for more content that empowers you to live with purpose, resilience, and inner peace.